Hey, Python learners, want to write clean, reusable, and super flexible code? Functions in Python are your secret weapon. And today, we will unlock all the ways to pass arguments in a function. Stick around because I will make it simple, fun, and you will understand it fully. Arguments are inputs you pass into functions. They make your functions dynamic, meaning the same function can work on different data. Instead of writing repetitive code, you write once and reuse it. Python gives you multiple ways to pass these inputs. Let's explore them step by step. First up, positional arguments. This is the most basic type. The order of arguments matters. Define grade. Name, comma, age. Print hello name, comma, your age years old. Grade, pass, Elon, comma, 25. Name is first, age is second. Python assigns values based on their order in the function call. Save and run. Control plus S for save, Shift plus F10 for run. We got hello Elon, you are 25 years old. Try switching the order. You will see the output changes. That's why it is called positional. Always pass them in the correct order. Next, keyword arguments. With this, order does not matter. You explicitly say which value goes where. Grade, age equal 30, name equal Charlie. We use parameter names age equal 30, name equal Charlie to tell Python exactly which value belongs to which argument. Save and run. Hello Charlie, you are 30 years old. This is super useful when a function has many parameters or when you want to skip some defaults but still assign others. What if someone does not pass a value? That's where default arguments come in. Define grade, name, comma, age equal 18. Print hello name, comma, you are age years old. Grade, pass Jojo. Age equal 18 is the default. If no age is passed, Python uses 18 automatically. Save and run. We got hello Jojo, you are 18 years old. Default arguments make your functions smarter, safer, and reduce errors. You can still override them if you want. Sometimes you don't know how many inputs you will get. Python handles that with *args. It collects all extra inputs into a tuple. Print sum, sum of numbers. Add pass 1, 2, 3, 4. Numbers gathers any number of values into a tuple called numbers. You can process all of them easily. Save and run. Sum 10. This is perfect for dynamic data, like adding any amount of numbers or handling unknown inputs. Arbitrary keyword arguments. And when you want unlimited named arguments, Python has *keywords. Define user info. Inside the bracket, enter *info. For key, value in info.items. Print key : value. User info. Pass name equal Alice, age equal 25, city equal Paris. *info collects all extra keyword arguments into a dictionary. You can access each key and value. Save and run. We got name is Alice, age is 25, city is Paris. This is perfect for functions where inputs may vary. Super flexible. Quick recap. Let's summarize. Positional order matters. Keyword order does not matter. Default fallback values. *arguments. Unlimited positional arguments. *keywords. Unlimited keyword arguments. Master this and you will never struggle with function inputs again. If this helped you level up your Python skills, smash that like, share with a friend, and subscribe to Master of Data Science for more fast, fun, and powerful Python tutorials.